Haiti gonna be clean with me after like 2-3 years.
So
2-3 years, I'm gonna be clean Haiti with all Haiti. The plastic will hold every plastic.
This is Friendly and his team. And what they're making here, it's called adoquin. It's a paving stone, the kind you'd normally see made out of concrete and cement. Except theirs are made entirely with plastic, recycled plastic. The stuff that would have ended up in a landfill, or worse, in the ocean. I came here because I wanted to see this for myself. How do you take the trash and turn it into something people are literally gonna walk on for years? Turns out it's a lot more work than I expected.
What I'm trying to say, that was dead. You know where somebody was dead? After that, we make them get review. Just like what I'm trying to tell you, that plastic already died. So I use my brain. My name is Fondy Saint-Ville. So we working for Green Block Factory Haiti. We doing some transformation plastic. We do some adoquin with. I'm take the garbage plastic and turning it and put it in this thing. Look at over there.
Yeah.
When we finish, after we put it in the mold.
okay.
Like 10, 15 minutes in passing, we take it out. The mold, after that, it come in adoquin. One of my friends, they specialists in transformation adoquin and transformation plastic, right? Because I love it. I want to help my country, but is my country already dirty with garbage plastic? Because one thing in my mind, so get that is some formation, one of my friends. After that, I say what I have to do and just make some adoquin with.
So how do you want Haiti to be in the future?
And my future, and everybody's future, I want Haiti look like them state, like Miami State, like Florida State, and whatever Texas and Caicos and Provo, whatever island. But now, I'm starting. What I'm starting for, we clean. I'm already by the garbage, plastic, to turn in another can. What you're looking there is a garbage plastic.
Friendly with his team, the Green Block Factory, not only manufacture paving stones with recycled plastics, but this Cap-Haitien leader also spreads the word of the environment live on TikTok under every workday.
Déchet, merci. Partagez live là, t'as voté, va voter. Nous c'est Green Block Factory Haïti qui utilise tout déchet plastique qui gagne dans le pays d'Haïti. Et ça n'a pas pour nous utiliser tout vieux plastique net qui gagne. Et puis zéro fatra dans la rue.
What I'm trying to say, that was dead. You know where somebody was dead? After that, we make them get review. Just like what I'm trying to tell you, that plastic already died. So I use my brain. I make that review and add a life. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay, where do you get the plastics?
Well, I get some plastic. I'm buy some plastic from somebody.
Oh, you never go somewhere and pick some up somewhere?
No, I can't do that. But what I cannot do that, you know, I'm a professional worker.
So you decide to buy instead of
Yeah.
taking up in
Yeah.
the street?
Yes.
So when you do that, you help other people get
Other
jobs.
other people. When somebody go in the street, take some plastic bucket, take some plastic gallon, right? They come and Green Block Factory Haiti, and we look how this look. He say, hey, give me this part, give me this part. No, I give you this. Yes, let's go. And we pay for it and we work with it.
How long have you been making that for? How long?
Say it again.
Combien de temps? Combien de temps vous gagnez pour faire ça?
Oh, how long I working?
Yeah.
And Green Block Factory.
Yes.
But we got 4 months now.
4 months?
Yeah, we got 4 months now. We're working in Green Block Factory, Haiti. From Baye Bouteille.
So, did the government contact you?
No, it's no one of the government contact me, but all them the whole government know who's me, what I'm doing. They know my work. They know my work. They know everything I'm doing over there. But that don't mean nothing for them. They make some money when they get more garbage in the street. They write some project from to the other people. It's right, but they don't want the street clean for real. Understand? They don't want the street clean for real. Cause me, I got that project that already starting, right?
Yeah.
So we start to make some outworking like this, like that one over there. So now they don't look me. If I'm trying to do the bad thing, the wrong thing, they're gonna help me anyway. That's what the government do. See? So now, if any people, anybody, they want to be close with Green Block Factory, we open. If they want to help, we open. If they want to do some partnership, we open for that and everything.
Partnership.
Yeah, partnership, we open. We need people. We need more people by our side and Green Block.
Do you make a lot of money doing this?
No, we don't make a lot of money yet, but in future we can make it.
You believe Haiti will be clean one day?
Yeah, I believe that. I believe that again. I'm telling you that twice. I believe that. See, Haiti gonna be clean with me after like 2-3 years.
So,
2-3 years I'm gonna be clean Haiti with all Haiti. The plastic will hold every plastic. I'm gonna keep it all and connect, right? Connect all the plastic.
do you plan to teach other people how to do that?
Yeah, I'm got this plan to go in Port-au-Prince, to go in Akaye, to go in Saint-Marc, to go in a lot of places to teach in, like other young men and young women and anybody, even the old men to the one to get to know how to do it. I'm thinking to do one seminar, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. Open it for me, please.
So, another question. Where do you want to go with this? How big do you want this?
I understand where you
Est-ce
try
que
to
son
say.
mouvement?
You try to tell me how big I want this movement, how I want this movement reaching, right?
Yes.
Yes. How I want this movement reach the whole all over the country. To get one Green Block start, they can get like 10 people in each Green Block. Even they got Green Block in Saint-Marc, they can get 10,000 people walking. Even they get some Green Block and Go Naive, they can get 10,000 people walking. Even they get in One Ahmed, they can get 10,000 people walking. Because I'm a master, I can get like 50,000 people walking.
Wow.
Because I'm a master.
The factory has a capacity of producing 30 tons a day, and these young men are working to increase the number. But this doesn't stop Friendly from thinking about the future. He's already working very hard to create his own plastic containers, all made with recycled plastic from the trash cans of Cap-Haitien.
How did you learn English?
I did I learn English. I'm be traveling in Turks and Caicos Island. That's the way I grab it.
Wow.
I'm grabbing in Turks and Caicos Island, right?
Wow. So you back in Haiti to save the environment.
Yes.
What is the special message for everyone watching this video?
It's my special message for everyone and all over in this country and all over the world. Never, 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 never give up. Just keep and fight to be survived. Just keep and fight, fighting to living, right? Just keep and fight to be survived, and you can make your people by your side live and survive, and your family can live and survive, and your side can live and survive. Don't kill yourself for nothing. That's my message for everybody. Even you see you can eat today, you can be good tomorrow.